Hey guys, welcome back to About Technology. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can freeze a frame in DaVinci Resolve. But before starting, let me show you how the freeze frame effect would look like. Let me play this for you. First, it freezes here and then it freezes here. So this is how it looks like. So let's get started. So I have this video clip on my timeline. The first thing that you have to do is place the playhead at the position where you want to freeze the video. Let's say I want to freeze at this moment. Here, you have to apply the first cut. Next, move one frame ahead. For that, you just have to click the right arrow button of your keyboard one time and apply second cut. Now our cutout portion only carries one frame. We are unable to see that cutout frame over here, so let's zoom in the timeline. Move this trailing clip towards right to make space for the cutout frame. Still the cutout frame is not visible clearly. Let's zoom in some more and some more. Still it is not visible. Let's zoom in some more. Now you can clearly see this cutout frame. Right click on this cutout frame, go to change clip speed, and here you have to check in this freeze frame checkbox and click on change. Now extend the cutout frame as long as you want the freeze effect to last. Let's say I want to last it for this much of time. Now move back the trailing clip back to the cutout frame and join it. Now let's play the clip. You can see that the frame freezes for the duration you have extended it. So that's how you can add freeze effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to know how to add pop effect to text in DaVinci Resolve, please click on the video at the top right corner of your screen. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more DaVinci Resolve videos, please subscribe this channel. It will notify you when any new video comes out. Feel free to comment what other new videos would you like to watch in future. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next. Bye bye.